how to fix payment failed on Spotify, step by step. Intro. Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Mastery. In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to fix the payment failed error on Spotify, step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Check your payment method. Make sure your credit or debit card is active and has sufficient balance. Spotify accepts major cards like Visa, MasterCard, and some digital wallets depending on your country. Step 2. Update your payment details. Go to Spotify.com in your browser, log in, and head to your account page. Click on Update Payment Method and re-enter your card or payment info carefully. Make sure the name, billing address, and card number match exactly. Step 3. Try a different payment option. If the current card still doesn't work, try using a different card, PayPal, or any other supported method in your region. Step 4. Clear browser cache or try a different browser. If you're using a browser to make the payment, clear your cache and cookies or try a different browser or device. Step 5. Contact your bank. Sometimes the issue is with the bank. They might be blocking the transaction. Call your bank or check your app for any security blocks or decline transactions. Step 6. Wait and try again later. If everything seems fine but the payment still fails, wait a few hours and try again. It could be a temporary issue on Spotify's end. Bonus tip. Country mismatch. Make sure the country on your payment method matches the country on your Spotify account. If they don't match, the payment will fail. Outro. And that's how to fix the payment failed error on Spotify. If this video helped you, give it a like, subscribe to How To Mastery, and leave a comment if you still need help. Thanks for watching.